Hello, thought I'd do a video on my Ransomes petrol lawnmower, which I've had for about a year now. It's a Ransomes 14-inch Minor Mark 7. It's got Villiers engine. And we've got some of the markings there from the retailer there, which was Gibson Dandy in Luton. Just about make that out. The petrol filler cap there. Now, I've done a little bit to this, not a lot really. Had a couple of problems with them, both which were quite minor. First one was with the float in the float chamber here, the carburettor. It had a very small hole in it, and it would start up fine, but because of the hole, the float was filling up with petrol and the carburettor was flooding. Made the mixture quite rich, so it was hard to keep it running once the engine was warm. And the other problem was very minor, was just the throttle cable was loose, caused a few problems with the running, but that's just a cable tie on this, so that's a bit of a bodge. But it's just a matter of lubricating everything up really, the cable, throttle lever, all the nipples, and the chains inside here, this casing here, rollers there, the blades. It has two clutches, this one. It has centrifugal clutch, which is here, and then there's a manual clutch controlled by this lever here, and the lever on the handle here, and it's kickstart. See that there? It's spring. So yeah, I think that's about it. I can't get the exhaust off. That's completely rusted on. There's no way that's going to budge. So I'm going to leave it as it is for now. Did actually polish up the flywheel. That's come out quite nice. This was quite bad before. That's come out nice. Yeah, I think that's about it. So what I'll do, I'll add another video, probably on the end of this one actually, just showing it running and doing a bit of work. So thank you very much for watching. Right, so that's it running. I'm sure you saw a bit of trouble with the air filter. It should obviously be in the upright position like that. You just sort this clamp out, get something done there. That's not too much of a problem to do. Got the grass box on there as well. I painted the inside, red smooth right. There's quite a lot of surface rust in there, but nothing to worry about. Just come down here. And you've got the Quest there.